Sanwanani guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video about the famous Macele who continuously give us content. I want us to speak about one of the children from the Macele clan, and I want us to speak about Abong, Abo. And she is the daughter of Macele and Umosa. Listen, you guys, I think Uabo is like one of our, I think for myself, I don't know for other people, Abongwe is, she's incredible, you guys. And incredible in a sense that she is so respectful. She's so respectful, uziphethe kahle. And quite frankly, there's something that I saw in the last episode where the Mselegus went on a trip on how everyone was so sad that she was leaving. And I thought to myself, there's something to be said about that. Yes, as a person, you cannot be a people's pleaser, or you cannot be loved by everyone like money because you're not money. But there's something to be said when a lot of the people in your in your family are fond of you. And I think that is Abong. On the previous seasons, we did see much of Abong, but she doesn't speak much. All we know about Abo is that she loves. So one thing Abo will do is that she will knock everything off. But on a season or the last season of Izingane Nesthembu, you could see that there was kind of like an argument that went on between Uabongwe and Umpumelelo. And the way she even approached that argument and the fight that was going on, she did it in such a mature and a respectful way. The difference between her of how she handled the situation and Umpumelelo kind of feels like or it gives off vibes that he feels like he's the oldest amongst all of the children. And maybe he feels that way because of the situation he's put himself in. He's a father, he has two wives, and I mean, he's like a man now, you know. And it just gave off the vibes that people are kind of, because even the way Snee was like, you know, like over it and over Umpumelelo, like it gives off the vibes that everyone can sense that Umpumelelo thinks that he's the older one or the elder amongst the children. And I think they don't appreciate that. That's the energy it was giving, but it seems like no one is saying that. And maybe they feel that way because Umpumelelo is the only one currently who's actively pursuing the father's vision. And maybe that's why he is, you know, maybe close to his father. I don't know. But Uabo as well does seem like she has a very nice and close relationship with her father. I don't know if she gets to open up with him, but in the last episode when she called him and she was saying her regards, telling him that she's about to leave, it does look like they have a good relationship, though I don't think that Abo gets to open up about certain things. But the main thing is that when she was leaving, everyone was just like, Abo, Abo is leaving. Like, is she for real? Like, everyone was flocking her, you guys, from Abo Mnini, the children, from um, Abo Mawande, like all of the kids were just flocking on top of her. And they were sad that she was leaving. And I'm like, that means Uti, she truly is loved. And one thing about a person who truly is loved, I think in a sense, they are the calmness. I mean, that's a big family, and it's easy for everyone to step on everyone's toes and people to have a fight with who. And it's like the age gaps amongst the siblings is really huge. So it's easy for some siblings to not relate to other siblings because of the age gap. So for Abo to be able to relate to Abo Mpilo and Clem, and still be able to relate to the younger kids, like to be loved by all of them, I think that's a plausible and a beautiful thing. And I truly hope that we continue to see more of Abong. I can't wait to see the episode airing on Sunday of Izingane Nesthembu. I can't wait to see more of her. And just for her, like, I would really like to hear her view on what it's like ukulele Stenjin, especially considering the fact that she seems to not subscribe to the whole idea of polygamy. But anyway, guys, tell me, what do you think of Uabo? I love Uabo. She's one of my favorite characters. I don't want to say character because I mean she's a person and this is their lives. But she's one of my favorite people, and I really want to see more of her on our screens as she evolves into a much more beautiful person. Please do make sure that you like this video. Please also do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.